Very good afternoon, all my dear students. For the second time today, we are going to meet. I hope no need to give my introduction, but then also Basrani Daksha, your English teacher. Today we are going to start our first chapter of Beehive. Beehive is your main textbook, right? So first chapter is the fun they had. We are going to start this chapter today. In this chapter, there are two main characters, Margie and Tommy, right? This story is of the year 2157. 2157, in that timings, the students were not having the schools. They were not having the teachers. They were having their computer, their mechanical teacher at their own home. There is no need to go to the school. They were learning each and every subject from the home only, right? So for them, the system in which we are learning nowadays, books learning, textbook learning, it is old method for them, right? So it is clear to you that this is the story of 2157 and we are living in 2020. So for them, we are past and they will learn for us. Got it? Okay. So I know so many of you are not having textbooks. So again, I have prepared one summarization for you all. So we will go through it and we will learn the story. Okay. So I'm starting my PPT, but no need to take screenshot, no need to take to write any topics because I'm having the recording of this video. I will send it to you in the evening. Okay. So no need to do these things. Just summary should be clear to you. Okay. This is I'm sharing my PPT. Okay. Again, myself, Basrani Daksha, your English teacher, and this is our unit, The Fun They Had from Beehive. Isaac Asimov, our writer of the story. Okay, let me give you the short introduction about our writer, our author, that Isaac Asimov was born on January 2, 1920 in Russia. He was creative, diverse writer. He won numerous awards. At the age of 72, Asimov died in New York City on April 6, 1992, with the problem of heart and kidney failures. This is a short introduction of our writer. The things that I have highlighted or written in a dark color that you have to uh, keep in your mind. Okay. Now, next slide. Summary of our chapter. This story deals with a boy named Tommy and a girl named Margie. They came across something about the school of the past. On 17th May 2157, Tommy, a 13-year-old boy, located finds a real book in the attic. Attic means space to store the things below the roof. I have written the meaning of new words in the bracket so you will come to know about the meanings. In the attic. Attic means sometimes you might be knowing in our roof. Under the roof, we are keeping some space and we are keeping our things there. That is called attic, which has been printed on a paper. Tommy and Margie both take look on it. Okay, so here the writer is saying that this story deals with a boy. There is the two main characters, Tommy and Margie. They both were on 17th May 2157. They both were sitting and suddenly they find a book from the attic. So they came to know that what kind of book is this, because they were not having any idea regarding this thing. So they both have they both have taken the book, real book, because they were learning everything from the computer. So books, textbooks, notebooks, reference book, everything is there in the computer, right? So they were not having any real book in their hand. So they found a real book which has been printed on paper and which something was typed. Tommy and Margie both take and have Look on it. The book is in fact very old and the pages are yellow and wrinkled. Wrinkled means crinkly. In the year 2157, it was an unique one as such kind of book will not survive anymore because at that time they all were learning everything from the computer technique only. So they were not having any, no one was having this kind of book. So it was a very surprising thing for them to have such kind of book. So, in the year 2157, it was an unique one as such kind of book will not survive anymore. That time words will shift on a TV screen. These TVs can have over a million books. See, in our school bags, we are having limited books now, sometimes 10, 15, 20, not more than 20 books, which is almost impossible for us. But they were learning everything from the TV screen. So in TV screens only, they were having millions of books. If they have completed their 8th standard, no need to remove it. They can keep it for their reference. If they have completed their ninth, they can keep the ninth books, the spoken English books, the dictionaries, the reference books, everything they can keep in the computer screen for their record only. So it was quite a strange thing for them to have such books in their hand. That is why Tommy believes that they are much better than the old schools. Whatever they were living is not all about the things. What Tommy is thinking that they are living in a very good year because they were learning very good everything from the textbook only. Now, Tommy says that the book is all about the school, but Margie hates the school. Stop here. Why Margie hates the school? This is a big question mark, right? Margie was learning like Tommy only from the computer only, but in their computer they are having subject-wide sector. The geography sector of Margie's computer was working little bit faster, so she was not getting good marks according to the age level. Her mother was disappointed because her daughter was not getting good marks. So she was saying that you have to work hard, you please do something. And finally, Margie's mother called a repairer, computer repairer technician to cure the disease, whatever the computer is having. So she was little bit confused regarding all these things. Now that is why Margie hates the school. This is the reason I told you why Margie hates the school. And now she does not comprehend, and means comprehend means understand why someone would write about it. She doesn't like school na, so she is thinking that why someone should write about the school. और कोई topic नहीं मिला, so written about the school. She is having problem with learning with geography from her mechanical teacher. It is black, large, and has a screen on it. It teaches the students, gives them exercise, asks them questions, and works from in a special room in her own houses. In this way, they were learning that they have to sit in the single room of their house. From there only, they have to learn, they have to understand, and they have to revise the thing. They were getting homework, they have to give the test, everything. They have to do the things in their own room from a particular corner. This is what I am telling about Margie's computer system. In 2157, the students were learning like this. It can also calculate the marks in no time. Margie has the period where she has insert homework and the test paper. It was not like that they have to learn only, but they have to learn, they have to understand, they have to complete the homework, they have to submit the homework, and then they have to give the test also. This period she was not liking because she has to submit the things. Once Margie got worse poor marks than before as the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was too swift. She was not getting good marks in geography. The country inspector rebuilt it after an hour. So her mother, I told you na, that in short I have written here that her mother called the inspector who can repair it, and within no time he solved the problem within an hour I think. And he was happy that he informed the mother of Margie that Margie was doing her proper work, but the geography sector was little bit faster than the age level of Margie. That is why she was not getting good marks. He was pleasant to Margie. She anticipated that the mechanical teacher would be taken away for a longer time like Tommy's. What Margie was thinking, that if geography sector is not working properly, then the inspector will come and take away my technical teacher for a long time like Tommy's. What happened when Tommy's history sector was not working properly at that time? The inspector came and take away the computer of Tommy for a long time, and luckily for Tommy, the history sector was totally blind. So Margie was also expecting that something like this should be happen with her. But the inspector came, and within an hour she has repaired the technical teacher of the Margie. So Margie was little bit disappointed. Tommy's stat is that the book has found is not about their type of school. Margie was disappointed that she doesn't like school. Why someone should write about the school? So Tommy said that this is not the book he has found is not about their type of school. In fact, it is about the school of centuries ago. 100 साल पहले की book है. He came across that suddenly in the past had a real man as a teacher who taught the boys and the girls, right? He said that this is not the school in which they are learning like us only. This is the school in which they are learning about us. The real human being, real man as a teacher is there, and he is teaching the boys and the girls together. He gave them homework and asked them question, and they had a special building, and children went to the school at the same time. All of them learned the same thing. This is what the Tommy said to the Margit, that in this book, school means all same age group of students, boys and girls, are going to the school at the same time, at the same particular place which is called school. They are learning the same thing from a particular human being, and they were getting same homework, helping each other and enjoying sitting together. This is said by the Tommy. First, Margie could not understand how a real man could be a teacher, nor she understand how every student were taught the same thing. First of all, because they were learning everything from the computer, so she was little bit confused that how a real man can teach, right? And another thing, Margie's mother used to say that the students should be given education according to their level. Every students are not having same level, na? So she was little bit confused that how every students were taught the same thing. Her mother said that education must fit an child's mind, but in her opinion, means according to Margie, those schools were funny and she wants to read more about them. But they were reading about the old school. At that time, Margie's mother called that, Margie, come on dear, it is your school time. And they both left from there, and they decided that they will meet again and they will continue with the reading of this book. Now it is time for Margie and Tommy for the school. Margie goes into the schoolroom in her house where the mechanical teacher stands. It is already waiting because lessons are always at a regular hours. They have to set their time. They have to set their lessons, periods, and everything. So when Margie entered in the room, the mechanical teacher, was already ready with the regular work. She thinks about the old schools and the fun the students had in them. She has started, and because first of all they have to submit the homework which was given in a last period. So she entered and she has submitted the homework, but she was still missing that how the olden days were good. The students were going together in the school, they were enjoying them together, they were learning together, everything was done together. Okay, this is the end of our story, that Margie and Tommy, both friends, how they came to know about the old type of books, and in that books they came to know about the old type of schools, means our school, what we are doing nowadays, and they discussed on that and what kind of schools they were having in their time. It is also presented here in our story. Girls, this is your home task. These 4 questions again you have to write in our English fair book. I hope your concept is clear. I will send you the pic of this 4 questions, so no need to copy. And even today evening, I will send you this recording also. Okay. So, my dear student, I think everything is clear to you, and now no need to revise the thing. If there is any confusion, any doubt, I am going to send you my recording to you. Just go through it. Okay. So, is it clear? I think. Okay. So, again, have a nice day.